In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background image or color on your Shopify password page. This process will allow you to give your password page a more personalized touch, which can be crucial for maintaining brand consistency and delivering a cohesive online presence. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. First off, you'll want to gain access to your Shopify theme editor. To do this, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, navigate to the left-hand side menu and locate the section labeled Online Store. Click on it, and you'll then see the Themes option appear. This area is where all the magic happens in terms of design and customization. Next to your active theme, you'll find a Customize button. Go ahead and click that to open the theme editor. Now that you're in the theme editor, it's time to hone in on the password page specifically. Look for a drop-down menu within this editor, which is often labeled Home Page. Click on that drop-down and select Password from the list of options. This action will isolate the password page, allowing you to focus your changes on it alone without affecting other pages of your site. Once you've selected your password page, it's time to edit the background. Depending on the structure of your chosen theme, you'll have a couple of different options here. For many themes, you can tweak the background through the theme settings. Within this section, you might find options to upload images, select colors, or even add background overlays. If your theme organizes customization through these sections, you'll likely see components like header, content, or footer on the password page. Clicking into these sections can reveal background customization options specific to that area of the password page. If you're feeling even more adventurous, consider adding new sections like an image banner or a rich text section to add a unique flair to your design. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's a good idea to preview what you've done. This is a chance to see how your changes have affected the appearance of the password page and ensure everything looks great. If you're happy with what you see, simply click the Save button to apply all the changes you've made. Before wrapping up, let's touch on a few additional tips. If you're choosing to use an image for your background, you can upload your preferred image directly through the theme editor or pick one from your Shopify media library. However, if you prefer a solid color, utilize the color picker or directly enter a hex code to achieve the hue you desire. Keep in mind the importance of responsive design. It's wise to ensure your image or color looks good on both desktop and mobile versions. For those with a knack for coding, you can dive deeper into customizations by accessing your theme's CSS files in the Assets folder, offering an opportunity to add unique styles to your password page. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effectively personalize your Shopify password page background, ensuring it aligns smoothly with your brand's unique aesthetic.